I have decided to do a different video in this case because most of my videos, I have been teaching you so many things like online work, AI tools, how my career journey actually pivoted and I started working remotely. But in today's video, actually, it's going to be a different thing. There are some questions that people actually want answered. When we speak about them, most people are going to understand us on a different perspective and also on a different level. I want you to feel like I am speaking to you. In this video, I am going just to share a few things that I personally go through, especially while working remotely or when I pivoted to working remotely. It has been 1 year so far on the line, and honestly, it comes with a bit of challenges, advantages, and also some disadvantages because most people always think that when you are working remotely, you are just comfortable, you are good. But let me tell you, there are so many challenges that you don't see. First of all, let me speak about the first challenge me personally I always see is like people don't actually understand you. And let's say, for example, somebody like me, I am a mother and also I am a wife. So most people or my kids, my husband expect me to be there all the time. And remember, right now, let's say, for example, I am volunteering for one foundation, one client, and also doing an internship. Now, total, I have 3 roles. And I also am coming also on social media. So you see, I am wearing so many hats. Client that I am working with, the advantage is that I don't have, let's say, a committed time frame. No, the thing is, we just meet at the end of the week and we conclude on what I'm supposed to be sharing out. But now you see, for the foundation, I have committed some working hours with them. And also for the internship, the advantage is that we are not committed, just the time that you're comfortable. The thing is that people don't see that. You are the only person who understands that. That comes as a challenge. I wish people would understand that and just know that working remotely doesn't mean that I am free. No. Just the same way you go to your work in the morning, you are expected maybe to report on your shift in a certain time. It's also the same way I personally am supposed to be reporting to my work, and also I have to work on those tasks that I've been assigned to, or I have to complete whatever tasks that are pending. So that is the biggest challenge. And also, they just want me to be there like 24/7. I have to be cooking. Somebody will just come into my Zoom meeting. They just bunch in and they're like, Mom, I want this. Mom, nataka hii. It comes with a lot of those challenges. People don't understand you well, like this time I'm working. Then the second challenge that I personally saw that came with, and I have seen it, you don't have time to go outside to interact with the outside world. I have to pause there because honestly, I have come to realize that you don't have that time to go outside. Where? Because when I was starting, I thought that wow, I will go outside, interact with people. But let me tell you, the challenges that come with you going outside, hautaonekana nje. Let me just speak Swahili so that you will understand better. Because now you are committed in the house. You start working, let's say, if you have an evening shift, you'll start working maybe 6 p.m. And also maybe your shift will end up maybe at around 10 or 11 p.m. at night. Like, for example, for me, that's why I'm saying that it's hard. I will work because for the foundation, I'm supposed to work starting from 6 and then I will end up at around 10 or even 11 at night. I am also doing an internship and I have committed to work during the day. So I work from 9 to 1 p.m. That is for the internship. Now for the client, the good thing I told you, for the client, I just create my time that I have. Then for the work, I have executed all the tasks that are pending. I just make sure that to coordinate everything together and we are perfect. Now you see, I don't have time to go outside at all. Remember also, I am in the house, so people expect me to be doing all the things. Now, hakuna time ya kwenda nje hata kidogo. So that is the second challenge that I can understand. Then the last challenge, me personally, I have seen is that now you don't have friends. Why don't you have friends is because the friends that you're going to make, munaenda kupatana online. And they're going to be minimal compared to I am going to get people when you're online. They are just like I want some time just to speak like in person, but I don't have that person. So you will end up having friends when you communicate maybe via WhatsApp, email, blah blah blah. But now real friends, like when you're watakuja, maybe you people need to meet somewhere, inakuwa very tricky. That's all about this video. I don't want it to be so long. The next chapter or the next thing that I am going to interact with you, we are going to look at the advantages. Believe it or not, advantages are more than disadvantages. Stay tuned. My name is Lisa Remote 254, and if you are just bumping into this channel for the first time, don't forget to like this video and also subscribing to this channel, because I always document my content around remote work, career development, and also just sharing a few tips on AI tools. That's all about this channel, and here we speak positivity. And I love sharing my story to people and also just telling you that it is not difficult. So long as you have decided that that is the road you want to go, definitely you will get. There are so many challenges, there are so many setbacks, but for me, I believe that when you want something, strive and go and get it, because that is who you are. And don't forget to just share something in the comments and let me know how this video was. What any other thing do you want me to share with you? And maybe just if you have any burning question, don't forget to drop it in the comment section. I am going to be checking all of them out and also just sharing my points, my views, and everything that I have learned personally. See you all in the next one. Take care, and I love you all. Bye bye.